the UK government approved the regiment assisting the Government of Gibraltar. The task we've undertaken so far is logistic support to the Gibraltar Health Authority. This has meant moving beds, moving stores and supplies up to the Europa Hospital facility. So the task so far is moving medical supplies, unloading from picking up stuff from the primary healthcare centre at the ICC, moving it down to St Bernard's Hospital so they can take new supplies on account, and then things like setting up fencing up on the perimeter at the Europa Hospital facility, moving hospital beds and other bits of equipment there. Latest task is moving some additional flooring which will be used in the Europa Hospital facility.
And who's actually involved in the operation?
So troops from across the regiment and also from across wider British forces. So when we've gone out, we've been aided by our civilian staff as well, which includes a number of drivers, and then some of the subject matter expertise on the medical side comes from our staff in the medical centre here, who are providing advice and assistance to the Gibraltar Health Authority as well. We're the only overseas territory that has its own regiment, which is fully integrated within the MOD, and I think that provides, you've seen across the community in the other public services, a number of former RG officers and soldiers who are contributing to this effort also, within the civil contingencies, in the health authority and the volunteer force. There's a number of former members of the regiment who are contributing to the effort, and I think that's a great positive for Gibraltar to have a regiment that continues to provide an enduring number of well-trained individuals ready to support any sort of crisis that Gibraltar faces now and in the future. I think we provide still a degree of resilience for the regiment itself, a significant pool of manpower, trained manpower that can be put to good use when and where it's required.
I suppose it would be going up a notch, and public perception is important as well, but I suppose the military always available and ready to assist the civilian authorities with policing or similar in the event that the government requests this.
Well, we stand ready to assist as required. You know, as I said at the start, once the UK government authorises us to carry out tasks, then with the headquarters here, the civil contingencies and the Gibraltar government, then we will plan putting manpower where it's most appropriate for what the requirement is. You know, the situation's ever evolving, and we'll adjust our effort accordingly.
And how much talk is happening between the military authorities and the local government?
Every day it's constant. You know, there is an open line between our military commanders, Chief Minister, Minister for Health, and all the senior staff, particularly in the Gibraltar Health Authority. You know, we're working very closely together, and you know, Gibraltar is coming together as one united team in the face of this crisis.